SBI job notification. Job is circle based officers, 1226 post. Last date of submit the application is 29/12/21. So is the state wise vacancies. Okay, Gujarat is 364, Bangalore is 278, Bhopal is 162, okay, Chennai is 276, Jaipur, okay, Rajasthan 104, okay. So this is advertisement from SBI. So online application is start from 9/12 to 29/12/21. Okay. So tentative test is 12 January 22. Online test is online in January 22. Okay. This is the official website is SBI bank.sbi careers. Okay, this is official website. So application fee general OBC is 750, SC ST is PW nil. Mode of payment is debit, credit, internet banking. Important dates is 9/12 starting application. Last date to apply the online and payment fee is 29/12/21. Download admit card is 12/1. Date of online exam is January 22. Age limit is minimum age is 21, maximum is 30. Age relaxation applicable as per the government rules. So qualification is disciplines from recognized university of any equivalence qualification recognized as per the central government. Okay, this is the state wise vacancies. Ahmedabad, Gujarat 354, Karnataka 278, Madhya Pradesh 162, Chhattisgarh 52, Tamil Nadu 276, Rajasthan 104. Is the community wise vacancies. So total is regular vacancies 1100 and backlog vacancies 126. So 1226 total vacancies is the official website of SBI. So test mode of test is online written examination, screening and interview. So 3 process. The above vacancy provided any may be depending on the bank's actual requirements. So candidates will have to apply for vacancy of one state only. Okay, only one candidates apply only one state. Okay, so more than cannot apply more than one. So OBC category candidates should submit the OBC certificate on format prescribed by the Government of India having non-criminal layer clause issued during period 1/4/2021 to the date of interview. Okay, during the date of interview, and the candidates want to produce the OBC certificates. Okay. So educational academic qualification is recognized discipline from the recognized university or equivalent qualification recognized such as the central government. Okay, age limit is as per 1/12/2021. Okay, so scheduled caste, scheduled triple is age relaxation only 5 years, other backward classes are 3 years, personal disability is 15 years, PWD OBC 13 and PWD EWS is 10 years. Okay, so suppose ex-serviceman commissioner officer including emergency commissioner office is 5 years. So experience post essential academic qualification is 1/12/21. Minimum 2 years of experience is on the 1/12/21 as officer in the scheduled commercial bank or any regional, any scheduled commercial bank or any regional rural bank is listed in second schedule of Reserve Bank of India. Okay. this categories category code, okay, code of all the communities, okay. So test is based on the objective test is English language is 30 questions 30 marks 30 minutes, banking knowledge 40 questions 40 marks 40 minutes, general awareness economics for 30 marks 30 minutes, computer aptitude is 20 questions 20 marks 20, so totally to 120 marks 2 hours, okay. So 4 sections. Another one, so descriptive type is another one is descriptive type is test is 30 minutes, okay, 30 minutes. The test is based on the English language letter writing and essay, two questions for total 50 marks, okay. So penalty for wrong answer, there is no penalty for wrong answer, okay. Sectional marks will be not be maintained for the online written examination. Next process is screening process, second one is screening process. So application document candidates who are shortlisted based on the performance in the online examination will be placed before the screening committee. So next is interview. Interview will consist of 50 marks, okay. Candidates will have to score minimum qualifying marks, okay. So final selection based on the candidates will have qualify both in online test written interview separately. So its test is consist of 75 is to 25 weightage respectively. So 75 for written test screening and 25 for interview, okay. So 170 out of 170 marks, okay. So first is 120 plus 450, 150 equal to, so totally 170. So 170 is converted to 75. So during interview 50 marks is converted to 25, okay. So totally 100 marks, okay. So the payoff scale is the percentage starting pay of scale is 36,000, okay. Payoff scale is 36,000 on 49,000, okay. This is the pay scale. So SC ST PW nil, general OBC 750. So last date is up to 29/12/21. So list of documents to be uploaded is photograph, signature, ID proof, job profile, brief resumes, education certificates, expense certificates, form 16 salary slip, okay. The guidelines for the scanning and uploading the signature and photograph of the documents, okay. So document should be in the PDF, page size of document should be A4, the size 15 KB, okay. You want to follow the this given guidelines. So thank you for subscribe job searching